As your business grows, the network needs to grow with it so that your employees can do more, so that your customers can connect with you more easily, so that you can focus on your business, not on your network. Even in a small deployment, you want to know that the equipment is going to deliver connectivity without leaving you with a bunch of headaches. And the Catalyst 1000 series is great for when you don't want all the bells and whistles, but you want to know that it's going to work and keep working. The Catalyst 1000 series is ideal for retail, schools, bank branches, health clinics, virtually any setting where you need to ensure the secure flow of information. The compact, fanless design and improved reliability mean it can hide in plain sight without disturbing the environment. Simple, flexible, and secure, the Cisco Catalyst 1000 series switches deliver enterprise-grade quality at the right price for small deployments.